The car is pulled out of years of neglect.
Every movement reveals its weight.
The steel has been eaten away.
This is how it arrives.
Nothing moves easily anymore. The heart is gone.
The brakes are locked solid.
Decay fills the cabin.
I'm stopped here. The system is made safe.
The underside comes into view.
The damage is buried deep. Metal gives way.
The plan begins here.
Heat is the only way.
Old hardware finally lets go.
The damage is undeniable.
Nothing survives untouched.
Face is gone.
The weight is carefully controlled.
The engine bay is fully exposed.
Resistance fights back. Corrosion decides the edge.
Nothing is left to chance.
Old fluids come out first.
The front clears out.
It won't be reused.
Heat breaks the rust's grip.
One more deadweight gone.
Everything needs time to loosen.
Weight shifts.
Nothing here is salvageable.
The front end loosens. Steering separator.
The chassis is ready for straightening.
Everything depends on this alignment.
The bend is confirmed. Steel resists. The backbone seals.
The structure holds.
There's no saving this section.
Shape must be exact.
Strength returns line by line. The scar is sealed.
This time it's shielded.
Only clean metal stays. The rot is excised. It
Is tight and new. Precision matters here.
Metal meets metal again.
The heart is locked in.
The connection is precise.
Everything is pulled together evenly.
Power will travel this path.
No play remains.
Stance begins to form. The front end gains its strength. Movement will be controlled again. Stopping power returns. Pressure will travel cleanly. The pedal will be firm. Cage attacks copper quietly. Only sound conductors remain. Signals can flow again.
Order replaces chaos.
The nerves are reconnected.
Nothing usable remains.
Moisture did the worst damming here. Solid metal is still here.
Decay is stopped.
The cabin is reborn.
The floor feels solid again.
Structure meets comfort.
The controls wake up.
The cockpit takes shape. Control is restored. Details define the finish.
Everything not painted is protected.
Toronado's presence returns. Depth and protection are added. Life begins with lubrication.
Temperature will be controlled.
Flow is restored safely. Electric life returns.
Everything stays sealed.
The spark is dialed in.
Response becomes predictable.
The Toronado wakes up.
Everything holds steady.